Greeting from Tyson Cut and Sew Knitwear Garment Factory in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. We are very proud to introduce with you our big capsule that we produce regularly for our buyer during these many years, from 2014 until now. This is sportswear activewear styles. We produce 2.6 million pieces of sportswear per year. We have 52 flat lock machines with 4 needle stitch threads. We can make the flat seams in some specific areas such as inseam, outseam, front and back rise to create a flexible feeling for people when wearing and doing activities. The flattering flat lock stitch seams make our styles ready for the customer having the low to high level workouts and help you create the active product design in mind and was the focus of this active style, especially bottoms leggings. We can make all kinds of sportswear, activewear like bra top, leggings, t-shirts and tops, hiking shirt, travel leggings, ties, polos, thermal wear, sweatshirt, jackets, pants, tracksuits, Our products are suitable for many aspects of activities, including performance, tennis, yoga wear, football, running, swim and play beach, hiking and other activities. Fabric composition is polyester, polyester with spandex, recycled polyester with spandex, polypropylene, polyester rayon, polycotton, polycotton spandex or nylon spandex, recycled nylon spandex, which can be sourced either from Taiwan, China, or Korea or from Vietnam. These fabrics are knitted from many different kinds of structures, such as mesh, jacquard, tricot, interlock, fleece, single jersey, pique, French rage. We produce for Kappa, Fila, Aventer, Morel, Northland, Vocal, Glisset, Demis, Termit. Besides, we have experiences in many kinds of embellishment, such as holographic, reflective, foil print, high density, plastisol, water, rubber, sublimation, laser cut, puff, heat transfer, embroidery, APPLIQUE. Please take a look for many styles of our sportswear capsule. Frankly speaking, we always love to develop new technique, new technology for our buyers, development, expanding their collection. As well as garment quality is our top priority goal, which helps us to maintain and have long cooperation with our current buyers. If you are interested in our products, please kindly contact us by email kiki@lxc.vn as on the screen. Thank you. Have a nice day.